Yeah, guys, I know what they say. Watch pot never boils. So welcome everybody here. Today, I'm Cheezehead Chris, or Chubby Cheezehead. Today we're gonna do Canteen Cup Tuesday, and this is the shack. It is just a miserable ass day up here in northwest Wisconsin in the Sealy Hills, and so we're just making some. Cheezehead Chris's Backwoods Cabin Shack meal. How do you like them? And I will give a more in-depth story to this building in another video. But this used to be our hunting shack, our hunting camp. And I will do a more... So this is the shack. If you join the Chubby Bastard Shack, you have access to this blender right here. So, oh, we got a royal and boil. So we'll add. All right, you guys wanted cheese? Here's your cheese potatoes. Here you go, Kevin. 4 cheese. These are a wonderful ingredient because they got everything in it. So when you're looking to buy it, you want the ones that you just add water. There's one brand. These are the Idahoan brand. You got to add butter and milk and all that stuff. This has got everything in it. So these work pretty dang good. We're gonna put that in there. Mix it up. Ooh. A little bit. And put the cover back on. We're going to let that set up. And then we're going to I got some chicken gravy. We're going to bring that to a boil. Here quick, and we'll add the goodness to that as soon as that comes to a boil. So yeah, just using my little Ozark Trails cup, and using my Ozark Trails, that $10. That's just a big cup, big mug. Which reminds me, with all due respect to the Green Cup Club, the Green Cup Society, I think that all mugs matter. Or all cups matter, all mugs matter. And so I think we should unite all the cups and mugs together. And I was thinking about this, and I came up with the secret order of the chalice. Now, I know most of you don't know how to spell chalice. I don't. So we're going to call it the secret order of the mug. And then if you join the secret order of the mug, well, okay, the secret order of the mug lodge. Does that make sense? Club? I don't like club. Shack. I like lodge. We're going to call it the secret order of the mug lodge. And here, this will double as the lodge for the secret order of the mug lodge. Now, if you think about it, cups, I mean, these are good. But do you have a cup of beer? Some people might have a cup of tea, but usually, you want a mug is a little bit bigger. It's more, and I want to say this with all respect, manly, macho, you know what I'm talking about. So when I refer to it as the mug, lumberjacks and lumberjills, they're oofta. So we're going to call it, I know I'm rambling. So the secret order of the mug. All mugs matter. Little mugs, blue mugs, green mugs, you drink beer mugs, coffee mugs, they all matter. So we're going to join everybody together, and we're going to make the secret order of the mug lodge. I know, it sounds kind of stupid. So yeah. say, with all due respect to Chris and Ben Collier in Manland, I think as a Backwoods community, we need to unite all the mugs of the world. So there you go. There you have it. How are you going to join this? Well, if you're already in the Green Cup Club, in the Green Cup Society, you're in. If you want to do a video to join the secret order of the mug, feel free to. Not necessary. But it'd be kind of cool. And I'll start a playlist. How's that sound? If you think I'm going off the trails, off the rails and don't want to do it, think I'm crazy, all right, I am. I don't know. I'm just trying to have some fun. This is what it's all about anyhow, correct? So, that probably wasn't the best idea to put that on there. But, so, yeah. So, when it's a brighter day out, sunnier day out, it gets more light in here, I'll explain this building to y'all. I'll just give you a quick but I'll wait. It's going to be a surprise. You'll have to watch it. You'll have to watch to find out. So, how's that sound? But, we got pretty good flame going on here. So we will, once we get, give this a quick stir. There, it's getting there, it's thickening up. Whoa! Gotta be careful. It's fire. Another wait. Order. We're just gonna take our chicken. We're gonna throw all that goodness right in there. Right in that gravy mix. They ain't done. We're not done. We're going to take, I really think everybody should have a package of this. And look at, this is just the Great Value re-bacon piece, real bacon pieces. We're going to stick that, not all of it, just to give it some flavor. That's pretty, it's only like $2 a bag, cheaper than a jerky. Now, I was thinking about it. I think I'm going to save this for next time. I was going to put some of that in there, but I think that'll be a little... We'll save that for another recipe I got. Very similar to this. But... I will try something here, okay? Now I know Mr. Chris, Carolina Chris, he's going to object somewhat because it's not because it's not Texas Pete. But it's Frank's. It's Frank's Red Hot. Which I tend to like. A. So my dad's name is Frank. Heat that up a little bit, son. Check on the potatoes. Give them a stir. Go hot. Damn. Cover them this way, you dummy. Take it off the check. You gotta be careful of flames, guys. Ooh. That's good. Yeah, that's good. It's gonna get even better once we get the bacon the chicken bacon gravy on there. That gravy was just regular chicken gravy package. Thicken up a little bit more. That's package of plenty. One package of that. Pack of potatoes, one package of gravy. One can of chicken. And that's a meal. That's more than a meal. I can easily feed. Well, give you a shot here. You can see that. Ooh, look at that goodness. It'll easily fill up one chubby bastard, or it'll fill up, it'd probably fill 3 skinny ass bastards like Aaron Nelson. I'm gonna get him to comment on one of these videos. He didn't comment on the last one, so it's hot. Ooh. That is a chubby bastard meal if I ever had one. That is good. Ooh, that Frank's gives it a little different flavor. So, you may be asking, keep saying it's Chubby Bastard Club. Check out my last video. I decided to make a club, and I'm doing a giveaway. To join the club, your initiation in the club is you have to do a cooking video using anything you want, but a store-bought dehydrated meal. If you dehydrate your own stuff, that's fine. Make a video, post it to me or link it to me or whatever. I'm going to do a month or so. And I'm not quite sure. I still haven't figured out how I'm going to do it, but you have a chance to win somehow, some way. I'll figure it out. $25 worth of some Wisconsin cheese. Oof, that is good. That is really good. So, you show me cooking store-bought meal, you'll be blackballed out. Oh boy, that'll, on a cold day like today, windy, this will warm you right up, stick with you. In my mug, because that's what it is, it's just a big mug. So here is my canteen, and I got a canteen, they fit in there. It's a canteen mug. So, all right, folks. Till next time, this is Chubby Bastard Cheese. That just makes me laugh. Signing off for today, and hopefully the weather here clears up, warms up a little bit. I got a interesting meal for next week. What is it? Well, more bacon is involved, and maybe some cheese. And gals, my camera cut off just at the end, so I didn't get to do my closing. This is what the building looks like, inside and out. And so I will, when the weather turns better, I will, and sunnier, give you a proper tour of the building itself. And so you have two assignments from the Chubby Cheese. Is if you want in on the Chubby Bastard Shack, do a video. And if you want part of the in the secret order of the mug, you can do a video. You don't have to, but it'd be kind of fun if you did. See here, show us your mugs. Show us your mugs. All mugs matter. So, okay, till then, till next time. This is the Chubby Cheese. Check it out. Keep it cheesy, folks. Cheese going.